Hello, my name is Fran Arturo Mesa Gomez. This is the Art of Teaching workshop. I study bachelor's degree in English. I hope you are a good day. To start, to show class objectives. After the class, students will be able to analyze sentence in real time and identify their meaning to improve understanding and to learn new words. And their another capacities, students will be able to interpret passive language sentence. Class development. At the beginning of class, I will show 2 videos in which a student must listen to and analyze each videos. When organized in group of 2 people, they must choose a video and interpret it. They must practice each sentence and memorize it. When they have memorized it, each sentences, they must go out in front of the class where they must listen to their partner to respond to their question or phrases depending on the conversation they studied in class. Okay, to finish, the teacher will evaluate to fluency, pronunciation, memorization, and understanding, and will then grade depending of the level of skills. Okay, this is the first video. It's about the airport. This is the second video. It's about the restaurant. Okay, voy a reproducirlos.
Hello, miss. Can I see your passport? Yeah, sure. Here you are. Okay, perfect. And how many bags are you checking in? Just one. All right. And do you know your boarding gate? Yes, I think it's number 10, isn't it? Exactly. Very well, miss. Enjoy your trip. Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Okay. The second video. Welcome to a golden restaurant. Give me an order, please. I would like to eat rice with salmon. Okay, what do you think to drink? I want a red wine. Okay. Do you want anything else? No, thank you so much. Okay, thank you.